Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know who shared your Facebook post. So if you are using the Facebook and someone shared your post and you want to know who shared it, so I will show you how to do this. So for this, if I go to my profile, you can see this is my profile. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see this is the post and you can see there is one share. So if I tap on it, there is no such option that can tell us that who shared our Facebook post. So what we have to do is we just have to go back and go back from Facebook, and now just open a Chrome browser like this, and then you have to log into your account in Chrome browser. So I already did. So after this, just tap on your profile in the upper left corner and then scroll down to the same post we just saw in Facebook application, like this one. You can see there is one share. So now if I tap on this share, this will bring us to this page. Now you can see there is one share. So if I tap on it again, now you can see this pupil who shared this. So this is the person who shared our Facebook post. So that's how you can know who shared your Facebook post. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.